Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will demonstrate the testing process of a budget-friendly 6-side EPS packaging machine. This machine features simple operation. First, operators manually place EPS foam products onto the rolling conveyor belt. Then press a button on the side of the machine, and the pusher mechanism automatically moves the EPS foam products through the packaging process. Once packaging is complete, the finished product is pushed onto a manual stainless steel platform where staff need to remove it by hand. Compared to the fully automatic version, this budget-friendly 6-side packaging machine is more suitable for customers who have limited budgets but still have specific packaging needs for EPS foam products. After packaging is complete, let's take a close-up look at the sealing results of this machine. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.